As we get started here with video 9, let's go ahead and make another copy of this worksheet because we're going to make changes, but we may want to go back to our original version. So just in case that is the situation, come down here and click on that copy we made in that previous video 7, and let's make a video 9 copy. Right click, move or copy, select the one you want to make a copy of, create that copy, and then I'm going to take that and move it all the way over here to this end here, and then I'm going to rename it video 9, and I can get rid of that 3. So that way we can play around with this and not worry about what we completed back in video 7 and video 8. So our goal in this lesson is to learn how to just utilize this table to explore some different options as far as amounts of money, interest rates, and time, and just to compare over 10 different investments how things might look a number of years from now. So for example, let's go in and just manipulate the time. Perhaps we want to look at all of these options in terms of, say, 45 years from now when we're about 60 years old. So we can put a 45 in here and then just copy that all the way down. So now all the time is the same, and we can look at how much we accumulate in our savings account based on these different interest rates. So we kept the payments the same, our principal the same. The only thing that we're looking at now is how the interest rates affect the amount of money that we save, and you can see that it's quite significant over a period of time. Let's take a look at what happens if we change the amount of a payment that we make. If we decide that we can afford a little bit more than $100, how about if we go up to $150? Let's see what happens. So we're here at $88,000 for that one. Let's change that to $200 or $150 and see what we get. Quite a big difference. $50 a month makes a big difference when you start saving early. Let's run that all the way through. We had $2.2 million here. Well, let's see what it ends up at. You add just $50 a month. $3.3 million. That's a lot of money. So it really makes a difference. And once again, the goal that you want to understand here is that you want to start saving money sooner than later. Start when you're young, as soon as you can do it. Make it a priority to put that money away. Well, let's get real ambitious here. How about if we can put $400 a month away? $400. Let's see what that does. Fair amount of money. Even at 2%, you could acquire over $250,000. So it really pays to make it a priority. The professionals recommend that you save anywhere from 15 to 20% of your monthly take-home pay. Start putting it away into some type of an investment. A real common one these days is something called a Roth IRA, Individual Retirement Account. And it's very reasonable to expect that you could earn somewhere in this range. That would be very reasonable. So you can see with just that $400 a month, if you got 5 or 6%, pretty close to $1 million here. At 6%, in fact, you are over $1 million. So it's the kind of goal that you want to have, because believe me, there was a time when I was also in high school, and I sure wish I had saved more. But circumstances are what they are, and you do the best you can. And so, but certainly, if I had started a lot sooner, it would have made a big difference. Play around with those. You might also change the principal. See how much, if you were to start with a different amount there. What if I started with $1,000 here? Okay, well that goes up some. So just make sure you understand that you can make changes to this. And then once you finish this video, I'll have some problems for you that you can utilize to solve problems related to future value and savings.